Hi, this is a brief tutorial brought to you by Abshire-Smith. We're the FSA regulated broker who provide Forex and CFD trading on the VertexFX trader and the MetaTrader 4 platform. This is a brief tutorial on how to use the VertexFX trader and how to personalize the layout. First of all, I'm going to log in, which can be done here. If you go to administration and click log on, then if you enter your username and your password and select login, as you can see, this is just connecting to the server and updating the live prices so that you can trade. As you can see now, the prices are updating and you can select the different charts. It's gone to the default layout. This might look slightly different to some of your own platforms, the way that it's created. If you right click and select the chart options, you can select the templates. The default template is what you'll see when you first download the software, which is the black background with the green and white candles. If you select chart options and select templates and select white chart, it will look like this. I find this easier to use, and this is how I lay out my version. If you now select the Pro interface, this is a kind of a tip and trick that I use as I feel it's easier to view multiple different assets. If you widen out the market watch area to view the full product and select the columns, so you'll now be able to see the high, the low, the time, the bid and the ask nice and clearly with each of the products. As you can see, if you highlight above them, you can see further information about the asset. Here you've got the news area with bulletins coming through. If you double click that, that will load up a recent bulletin. Here is the tick chart for any product that you have selected. So this is for cable. As you can see, it gives a detailed price action. What I'm going to do is now show you how to select multiple charts. If you look, it's currently with tab charts, so you can have lots of different time frames or different assets, and you can select between them. Some of our users find it easier to have multiple charts. Now these are independent of each other. What you can do is select into different time frames or different assets and view each of the different products at once. It's similar to other charting packages which are available, and some of our users find this more helpful. The program will actually default to how you close the software. So this only has to be done once, it doesn't have to be done each time. And that's roughly how I'd like to see it. As you can see now, I can view cable, silver, crude and gold all at once. I can change the different types of charts. So as you can see, that goes, it's always defaulted to candles, or you can select line or just a standard bar chart. I personally find it's easier to view different assets so I can keep a broader view on the market and trade different products at the same time. If you would like to add an extra window, if you right click and select chart, as you can see, it defaults back to the original type of chart. If you then go back to the chart options, from here you can personalize it to any colors or templates that you would like. Press OK. From here you could move it to any position that you would like, and now you have different assets which you can keep a view and have a broader view of what the market is doing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at Abshire-Smith, and if for further information, please go to our website, which is www.abshire-smith.com. Thank you for your time.